Well, good morning, everybody. Hi, my name is Carol Kaschube. I'm the Member and Business Relations Manager at Better Health Partnership. I've been with Better Health Partnership for the 15 years that we've been in existence. Welcome to our 2022 annual report to the community. We are pleased to be co-hosting this webinar and today's featured presentation, Achieve Greater, with Cardio Ohio, which is a statewide learning collaborative of Ohio's medical schools who work to identify, produce, and disseminate the latest evidence-based cardiovascular and diabetes best practices. Excuse me. Thank you, Sherry Boland, for your leadership across the state with this exceptional program. I am really happy to say that it is my pleasure to welcome Dr. Donald Ford, Chair of Family Medicine from the Cleveland Clinic, and he is a member of Better Health's Board of Directors. We are fortunate to have his assistance today to moderate our presentation. Thank you, Dr. Ford.
It's a terrific pleasure to be with you today. It certainly feels like old home here. So I'm really happy to be part of this webinar today. If we can go to the next slide, please. Just a couple reminders. We're going to keep everybody on mute for the duration of the webinar. There are a lot of us here on the call, and it can get noisy. So please, if you do notice that you're not on mute, please mute yourself. But we do want your feedback. We want your conversation. We will have questions and answers at the end of the presentation, but we would also encourage you to use the chat during the presentation, either for reactions, which are always fun, or questions that you come up with. I will be monitoring the chat during the course of the presentations and make sure that any questions that are submitted through the chat get addressed at the end. And our presentations will be posted on our website, so don't take terribly detailed notes. We'll have all this material available for you. Next slide, please. So, Better Health Partnership, we've been working together since 2007 to collectively achieve exceptional health value and eradicate health disparities in Northeast Ohio. We are Ohio's and Cleveland's and Northeast Ohio's most trusted health improvement collaborative. And the partnership that we've had in the area has been absolutely remarkable. If you do the math, since 2007, we are now celebrating our 15th year. And I've been very closely involved for a good portion of that. I guess if we're 15 now, next year we'll be driving, right? But we want to thank all of you who've shared our journey over the years, the results we've achieved. All these results we have achieved together through partnership. Without you, there would be no collective impact to celebrate. So thank you for your continued dedication to our mission and collaboration, for creating a healthier community where everyone can have the opportunity to live a higher quality of life and thrive. Next slide, please. So we have some things to look forward to. We are going back in person. In October 21st, 2022, we are planning an in-person 2022 Regional Learning Collaborative with very special guest, Dr. Amy Acton. I swear I would coat myself in plastic to go hear Dr. Acton. That would be, I'm looking forward to this so much. We hope we can even take a picture just like this one. Maybe we'll all have masks on at that point. Who knows? A little too early to tell, but it's a tremendous thing to look forward to. For those who have attended these in the past, we hope to see you again. And for those who are new to us, please plan to join. These are opportunities to come together and learn from each other, share best practices in health and healthcare improvement, and to reconnect with colleagues and meet new friends. We can't wait to see you there. And we'll have more information coming on that soon. Next slide, please. Now, before that wonderful event, we have another opportunity to share with you. This is a learning collaborative that it involves the regional health improvement collaboratives across the state of Ohio. There are 3 of them in Columbus, Cincinnati, and us in Cleveland, in the Cleveland-Akron area. The three RICs are coming together to host this collaborative for primary care and other health system leaders to learn, connect, and imagine our future state of healthcare. This is the title of the presentation, The Future of Healthcare and a Statewide Learning Collaborative. It's scheduled for June 21st, 2022. There will be CME credits available and registration is currently open. I think we have a web link. Well, if we don't have it here, we'll definitely have it on our website. Go ahead and share the next slide. So Cardio Ohio, founded in 2017, the mission is to improve cardiovascular and diabetes health outcomes and eliminate disparities in Ohio's Medicaid population. This is a collaborative of healthcare professionals from the academic medical centers across Ohio, identifying, producing, and disseminating evidence-based cardiovascular and diabetes best practices to support our primary care teams. Next slide, please. A couple of important upcoming events from Cardio Ohio. A webinar on Wednesday, May 25th. You can see the details here. You can register through their website. And if we show the next slide, we also have a series of case-based discussions titled, What's New in Cardiovascular Prevention? So all these events are available and you can register now for the Better Health Partnership event. Please register through our website, and for the Cardio Ohio, please register through their website. Next slide, please. Now to our main event. Welcome to the featured presentation for the day, Achieve Greater, which stands for Addressing Cardiometabolic Health Inequities by Early Prevention in the Great Lakes Region. Next slide, please. I'm delighted to be able to introduce our speakers for today, Dr. Sanjay Rajagopalan. He was chief of the Division of Cardiovascular Medicine at University Hospital's Harrington Heart and Vascular Institute. Dr. Ijeoma Nodim Opara, who is assistant professor of internal medicine and pediatrics in the Department of Internal Medicine at Wayne State. And Mr. Jeffrey Patterson, chief executive officer of the Cuyahoga Metropolitan